Regulators, mount up.
Hey everybody, Lewis here, Rshackbbq and other things. Well, today we're doing some chicken, and we're gonna do some honey garlic chicken. Now, I got some things going on in the Rshack, so I'm not gonna be cooking in there. I'll be cooking over here. And what do you see there? I'm gonna use that can cooker again. So let me show you what we're gonna do. All right, for our garlic honey sauce, we need 1 can of chicken broth. Good. We need some soy sauce. We need a 1/2 cup of soy sauce. We need a 1/2 cup of ketchup. Get all that ketchup down in there. Then we need 1/3 cup of honey. Like so. Get that down in there. Then you need 3 cloves of garlic minced. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just put in 3 tablespoons. Like so. Then 1 teaspoon of dried basil leaves. Let's get this in here. All right, then whisk this all together. Rinsed off the chicken thighs here and patted them dry. Now normally what I like to do is take duck fat and spray them with duck fat, but I'm out of duck fat, so I'm just going to use this butter spray that we have. So just give them a quick little coat of butter, flip them all over, hit the skin side. Like so. Hit them real quick, like that. Let's get them out on the can cooker. Okay, so what I did is I bought this right here. I think I found this on Amazon. And it's just a little MultiFuel Burner. Comes in this neat little case. We'll get this assembled here. So what you got a little propane hose here. Goes through here. Screws into here. So we can get that. There it goes. Make sure you get it threaded on there right, like so. Nice tight in your little burner tray. It just sits up here upside down like so. In the bottle, it screws on back here. So make sure you got it nice and tight. And we'll come around to the front. Let's go ahead and close this back up. Push that down. Turn this all the way. And then you click it and it lights it. And there you can see it's lit. So what we want to do is we want to just put it on low for right now. Boom. Let it kind of heat up as we get the can cooker ready. So what we need to do is we need to take some vegetable oil and we need to spray it in here. Get a nice coat on this thing. Get the bottom real well. Might be overkill, but at least we know it's oiled. Let's get that chicken in there. Let's get this up on here. We're going to let this heat up for a bit, and then we'll get our chicken on it. So we're letting this come up to temp. You can see steam coming out of it already. So So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep the skin side up on these, and I'm going to put them down inside here. Ooh, look at that fry. Try not to burn my hand. That one over there. And then the last one. Alright. Then, what I want to do is take our honey garlic mix. I'm going to give it one last whisk. And we're going to just slowly pour it down in there. Oh my. If you guys could smell this right now, oh, that's incredible. Alright. Get that lid on there. So at this point, we're going to let it go 10 minutes. And then we're going to come out and we're going to flip those chicken thighs over. And then we're going to let it go 10 minutes. We'll temp them, and then we'll probably flip them back over. After that last video where I did the kind of the seafood boil in the can cooker on that big hot plate, I did a little research. You're really not supposed to be using those bigger, they call them turkey fryers, burners on these can cookers. So that's why I went out and bought this dual fuel. So it's butane and propane, whichever bottle you want to use. This thing will work on either one. Went out and bought that. It comes with that nice case to carry it around, and it's working great. I mean, it's just sitting here cooking away. Yeah, I really like that. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes. Let's take a look at this chicken. Let some of that steam come off. Oh, look at that, boiling. I'll have to turn it down in here. So I'm going to flip these over now. Okay, now I have all of them with the skin side down. We're going to put the lid on and let it go for another 10 minutes. That lid's hot. Maybe shouldn't have done that. There we go. Alright. Let's see how this is doing in there. Take these off. We're going to temp them this time. Get that one out of the way. Kind of let the steam evaporate out of there so we don't fog up the camera. This smells so good right now. Let's see what we got. We're at like 186. All right, these are done. Okay, so now I have a hot grill, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to char this up a bit. Just take it, and we're going to just set it right over our coal bed. It is not going to take long for this to do this. So. Just giving it just a quick little char here. Back into our skin starting to stick on there. It's trying to get those off. So here is our honey garlic chicken thighs over a bed of rice. Oh, let's cut into it and see what it tastes like. Get some of that rice and a little bit of that chicken. Yeah. Lost some of the rice, but cheers. Oh my, that is a winner. That is so good. Oh yeah. Yeah. So, definitely going to be doing this again. Saw how we did that. I made up the honey garlic marinade and whisked it all together. Sprayed down that can cooker, put it on that new little burner oven, multi-burner, and set it on like medium, I would say. And then put the chicken thighs in there. Now what I did is I did skin up to begin with and let it go. Poured the sauce over the top of it, let it go for 10 minutes, popped the lid, and flipped over the chicken thighs. So now the skin was down, and let it go another 10 minutes. And then I probed for temp, and they were well over 165. So they were done. Took them out, poured the juice and everything, the sauce into that pan. Then I took them over, and I had the grill heated up. So I thought, oh, well, let me just kind of crisp them up a little bit. Threw them on there, maybe a couple minutes per side, and then pulled them off. My wife, she made some rice, put them over a bed of rice, and this is going to be a delicious meal. Not that hard. That little burner oven, that was probably pretty wise of me to buy that, since they recommend not doing it on the turkey fryer style. I guess that just heats that aluminum up too much and wears them down quick. They make a non-stick one of these can cookers. The one I bought is not a non-stick. That's why I went heavy with the vegetable oil to kind of keep everything from sticking. And it should clean out really nice. So, well, guess what? We need to eat. So, as always, you can do this too. It's not that difficult. Thank you for watching. Till next time, my friends, grill on.